So now let us see this. Remember, in the previous video we've looked on how to which package is better, which package should we choose. So you can decide to pay the $10, or if at all you don't have that money, because remember we can pay by debit card or credit card or PayPal, okay, or by direct bank direct bank transfer. So besides that, okay, so we can happen to just come and do this. So look with keen eyes if at all you want to use this platform. Let me show you something where you can go. Are you seeing here on the blog? Then open this in a new, right click like that, then open in a new tab. I've already clicked it, so then I happen to come here. Look at this blog, that is MUCIAN Scripts launches a site for advertising our businesses all over the world. So we slope down, that is the, no, we don't slope down, we come and click it. So the moment we click it, we slope down. Are you seeing? These are like the different codes that you can use to get offers, different offers, reduced prices. So I need a 100% offer on all listings. So if I click this, I select it, then copy, then come back here, okay, then click here where I have click here to enter your code. So I press that code. So this is for a limited time, okay. So if you're out there, start now and market or get your products in front of people. So this is for a limited time. So if I happen to put in that code, so I'm going to press apply. So this is a 100% off discount. So the moment I happen to come here, so then I slope, I try to look for, so I think, let us refresh. So they are different. So I think there are different options. For a 50%, see, at least you can offer something on the platform. So if you can afford 50%, go for that code, 85%, or you can even go for free, like 100%. Then after seeing that the platform has worked for you, you happen to go back and click on the donate on the donate button. Let me go here, go back to the listing packages, because these people, or I myself, I invested in a lot to see that we create these platforms for us to earn and to avoid people looking around, walking, looking for jobs and other stuff. So if you click this donate button, at least you can donate to the creator. Or you click this. Let me first go back. So there are two options. You can use this social. So you can click this donate to the developer, or you click this button here, donate. So this donate button pops up something so that you can offer at least something to the creator or some people who took time. So you can be donating monthly, yearly, or even a one-time donation. So are you developing a thank you or create more? So at least try to communicate to us, okay? Research for better and the better industry and creatives. Create more or thank you, okay? So those are like the options you can choose from as you donate to the developer. So remember, we've chosen our package, okay? We've chosen the package we want and we've put in our code, okay? So remember, you can choose the different codes from the blog I've showed you. Then we can now, we say apply. Okay, so now after applying our coupon code, we put in our names. Maybe I put in that. Okay, so first of all, our first name, the second name. Okay, then submit maybe our company name, then the country or region where you come from, street address, Chibuli, then that village second stage, you put in the district, then you put in your phone number, then the email address where you have to confirm. Then are you seeing what has been reduced? So now you don't have to like put in your bank information to pay for anything, because the code that you have been given clears everything, so you are being charged a 0%. Okay, so besides that, maybe we remove that and see. So if at all we are to pay with this, then we are to enter our credit card. So are you seeing? So we've removed the code. So it means if we've removed our coupon code, so we have to put in the name, the first name, the second name, the company name, the country. Automatically it is generated. Second stage, district, phone number, then the order comes automatically. If we want to pay by bank or if we want to pay via PayPal, don't hesitate. PayPal is okay. PayPal is verified. So what you have to do is to insert in your debit card or credit card stuff. So the moment you click that, so it is basically loading. So the speed basically depends on your internet speed. Okay, so we click here to submit. Let me see, as it showed up, as the card showed up, not yet. Your personal data will be used to process your data. So I don't like has been removed. So let us first go back here, click here again, then let us refresh the page. Maybe internet is on. So my internet has had some issues. So we refresh the page again. So the speed of the internet basically depends on your server. So my server is a little bit slow and it is again raining. So that is why I'm having some issues with internet. But it appears to be connected. So check out. So I first showed you, so when we use the coupon codes, we basically do not need to have what? So we are to pay these $10. So we'll go back here as it loads up. Because my internet is a little bit slow, is it because I'm recording? I don't understand. Maybe it is because it is because I'm recording and it had popped up, then I switched it off. Okay. So are you seeing this? Then with my card, let me use an expired card for security purposes. With this, at least I put in the card number is that long number that you see in front of your card. So I put in that, okay, 4713 74. Okay. 00, then a 0, 1, 5, 8. So don't try this card of mine, it is already expired, but I'm just showing you how you do it. So it has to be a debit card. So it has to be a debit card or a credit card. Okay, so expiry date, that is a 2. So I'm just going to be putting some numbers 24, then because it is already expired, but I'm just trying to show you. Then these 3-digit ones, 3-digit codes are the ones behind where authorized signature, like where they have a white thing, then they have those 3 digits 630. So are you seeing that? So it is now already showing me how much I have to pay. So if I go back here, are you seeing? So your card issuer will determine the currency conversion rate and what fees they may charge. Okay, are you seeing that? So it is me to choose, because I'm in Uganda, so it may be charged from me in Ugandan shillings or in US dollars. Then I put my phone number, maybe that is my phone number, then I pay right there. So that is basically what I have to do. So we are going to pick up from there.